subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates.
Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class we will try to solve these two gate bits which were asked on gate 2002 and gate 2003. So these are the two bits that we will solve in this class, and the concepts regarding these bits were already discussed in our previous videos. We have covered nearly 25 to 30 videos on these concepts. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course and entire playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can get deeper insights of the concepts, and the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to our bit, they are saying that the 2's complement representation of the decimal value minus 15 is. So how a minus 15 can be represented in the 2's complement representation, and the binary value of plus 15 is 111. Because all the bits are in 5-bit representation, we will take 5-bit representation of plus 15. So this is the binary representation of plus 15, and how to convert, how the negative number can be, how the equivalent negative number can be represented in the 2's complement representation is just find the, for example, if you would like to find the negative representation of minus 15, how it can be done in 2's complement representation is find the 2's complement of this number. So find the 2's complement of this positive representation of the binary number. We are going to get the negative representation of 15, which is minus 15. So the decimal value minus 15 can be represented by the 2's complement of this binary representation. So how to do that? How to do the 2's complement in the shortest way? Shortest way means start from the LSB. After identifying the first one, the remaining bits are to be complemented. So the first one has been identified. This is the first one in the entire binary representation. So until we find the first one, just put all the digits as it is, all the bits as it is. After identifying the first one, complement every bit. Complement every bit means it is 0, 0, 1. So this is the 2's complement representation of 15, which means minus 15. This is the representation, and the right option is D. This is how the minus 15 can be represented, and these discussions were clearly made. Assuming all the numbers are in 2's complement representation, which of the following number is divisible by this number? Which means that here, given all the numbers, this number, this number, this, all these 5 numbers, binary numbers, assume that all of them are in the 2's complement representation. Now what we have to say, among these 4 numbers, which one is divisible by this number? Before that, to find what is the number which is divisible by this number, we have to convert them into decimal. Because they are negative numbers, 2's complement representation means if the end bit, sign bit is 1, means they are negative numbers. Okay, if the sign bit is 1, means all of them are negative numbers, and they are saying that all the numbers are represented in 2's complement form. Okay, so now we have to find the decimal equivalent. So the magnitude, the decimal equivalent of these numbers we have to find, and every number is going to be a negative number. We have to find the decimal equivalent of all these numbers. So what is the decimal equivalent of this number? To identify the decimal equivalent of this number, we have to first find its 2's complement. What is the 2's complement of this? First one as it is, and all the remaining are 0, 1, 5 zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is what is the binary equivalent of this? It is the magnitude of the number is 5. Okay, and the number is in 2's complement form, and it is a negative number, so it is minus 5. And similarly, what is the 2's complement of this number? 2's complement of this number means until we find the first one, we have to keep it as it is, and all the remaining bits are to be complemented. It is 0, 0, it is 110000. And what is the binary equivalent of this? It is decimal equivalent of this binary number. It is 1 2 3 means 8, 4 means 16. 16 plus 8, 24 plus 1 is 25, and it is a negative number because it is in 2's complement representation. It is minus 25. Similarly, what is the 2's complement representation of this? It is 0. Until we find the first one, we have to put the numbers as it is. We have to keep the numbers as it is. After the identifying the first one, after this first one, all the numbers are to be complemented. This is the short form, 11000. What is the binary equivalent of this? Decimal equivalent of this? It is 0 1 2. 2 means 2 2's 4. 2 power 2 4. 4 8 16. 4 8 16 means it is 24 plus 4, it is 28. So hope you got the answer. It is divisible by 25. Okay, 5 is divisible by 25. Anyway, we will try to convert all these numbers. It is 1 1. After that we have to complement 0 0 1 0 1 0 0, and the binary equivalent is 1 1 2 3 8 4 5 32. 32 plus 8 40. 40 plus 1 41. 41, and it is minus 41. Minus 41 is not divisible by minus 5. Similarly, what is the binary equivalent, decimal, so 2's complement of this? 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0. And what is the decimal equivalent of this? It is 1 1 2. 2 means 4. 5 2 2 3 4. 5 means 32. 32 plus 4, 36 plus 1, minus 37. Minus 37 is not divisible by 5. Minus 41 is not divisible by 5, and minus 28 is also not divisible by 5. The only number which is divisible by 5 is minus 25. So the right option is A is the right option. Okay, hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding these concepts, please post your doubts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.